Okay, boys, welcome in your English class. Today in English, we are going to complete our lesson number 1 from unit 2. So open your English learner's book and be ready. Open lesson 1. Then unit 2, the name of unit 2 is Good Neighbors, and lesson is 1, Who lives in your neighborhood? Page number 20 and 21. Learning objectives. So in this lesson, we are going to read and listen about neighbors, how neighbors help other neighbors. We are going to study about different pictures and family tree also. We are going to talk about family tree as well. So first of all, you have to write date. Today is not 19. What is date today? Who is going to tell me? Today the date is 20. Right on the top page of your book, today's date. So in this, what we have studied, we have listened a track in which they are telling us, my neighborhood, come and meet the people in my neighborhood. There are neighbors helping neighbors in my neighborhood. There are grandmas, grandpas, cousins, moms and dads, girls and boys in my neighborhood, the street around my home. So we have studied this, and you people, I hope you people have practiced this in the home as well. Then we have focused on this picture. We have tried to find Ben, and we find Ben here. He is opening the door for her neighbor. Here is Ben. And then we see in the picture, there is a policeman helping women to cross the road. He stopped the traffic. Ben's cousin is helping the boy to ride a bicycle. Ben's aunt is staying on the balcony. His grandpa is growing plants, flowers for his neighbors. Nurse is helping an old woman, and a street cleaner is cleaning the street. Okay, street cleaner is cleaning the street. This is what we have studied yesterday. So now moving on to the today's topic. Vocabulary words. So what are the vocabulary words that we are going to focus today? First of all, I'm going to play the track.
Young people. Children are young people.
Who are young people?
Police
Children
officer.
are young people.
The police officer is stopping the traffic. Nurse. The nurse is helping an old woman. Street cleaner. The street cleaner is cleaning the pavement. Old people. My grandma and grandpa are old people.
So these are the vocabulary words. Young people. Who are young people? Children are young people. Police officer. Police officer is stopping traffic. Nurse. Nurse is helping old people. Street cleaner. A person who cleans the street. Old people. My grandpa and grandma are old people. Understand, boys? Young Okay, boys. I don't know from where the voice, the sound was disconnected. So in question number 4, we have key questions, the words that we use to ask questions. What, where, when, why, who, how. So these are key questions that we use to ask questions. First of all is what? What is a thing or an action? What is a thing or an action? Means where is the party? What is doing? When there is an action or a thing, we use what? What is policeman doing? What is street cleaner doing? Where? Where means when we ask about a place. Where is a place? Where is the party happening? When we read this passage, Ziad will have his party on Friday at his house. Where is the party? At his house. So when? When means time or a day. Time or day. When you read the passage in the first two lines, Ziad will have his party on Friday at his house. Where will be the party? On Friday at his house. Time and day is given. Then we have who. Who means when we ask about a person, who is he? Who is Ben? Who is nurse helping? Who is a person? In this passage, Ziad is a person. Who is throwing a party or who is giving a party? Ziad is giving a party. Why? Why means reason. Why something happened. Celebrating his 8th birthday. Why is the party? Why he is giving the party? He is celebrating his birthday. And last means how many numbers or why something is done. How? Giving food and toys to everyone. How he is going to celebrate his party? By giving food and toys to everyone. Okay, activity time. Dash is that boy. What we are going to use? What? No, we are going to use who is that boy? He is my brother Hamdi. Why we use who? Because we are talking about a person. So we are going to use who. Next. Dash is Taif. Taif is in Saudi Arabia. So where is Taif? We are asking about the place. For place, we use where. Where is Taif? Taif is in Saudi Arabia. Next, dash is on the table. So I told you people when there is action or thing, we use what. What is on the table? That is a pencil. Who we use for a person, what we use for a thing or action, where is used for a place. Dash is the party. The party is on Sunday. When? When we use, when we want to ask about the time and day. So we use when. When is the party? The party is on Sunday. Sunday is the day when there is party. When we have National Day, Saudi National Day. It's a question. Why, when, how? Dash can we learn English? How can we learn English? We need to study very well. When you study very well, you listen to your teacher, you will learn English very well. When we want to talk about purpose, we use why. Why are you crying? Because I lost my pen. Understand, boys? Okay, coming back to the topic. We finished question number 4. Number 5 is my family. Look at the family tree. Who are the peoples in the picture? This picture you have to see. Draw and label your family. Talk about your picture. So what you are going to do, you are going to draw like this family tree, and then you are going to write about your name of your family. First of all, we are going to write about grandpa and grandma. Okay. Then we will take line down to our dad and mom. You can also introduce your uncle and aunt. If you don't have, you can skip. Ben and sister. You can write your name and your brother or your sister. If you have baby brother, you can also mention here. Then when we talk about our uncle and aunt, the children's, or you can say the babies of our uncle or aunt are called cousin. What are they called? Cousin. So the children of our uncle is our cousins. Understand? This is how you can make your family tree for your family. So you can make a family tree for your family like this. If you don't want to draw a picture, no need to draw a picture, just you can draw and write the names, okay? Coming to the homework, again, you have Josie's family tree. Look at the Josie's family tree, write the missing words from the word box. Here is the word box. You have to choose the words and put them on the right place. Grandma, grandpa, cousins. Here are S. Cousins means two. So when you are writing under the picture, you are going to write cousin, not S. Cousins, cousins, no. You have to write cousin and cousin, okay? Mom, dad, uncle, aunt. How many cousins have you got? You have to count your cousins and you have to write it here. How many of your cousins are older than you? Older means bigger. So you have to write the bigger, and in the last question, you have to write younger. Younger means who are smaller than you. Those number of cousins you are going to count and write them here.